Okay, so this is going to be a short video. It's just going to set us up for how do we register for WebAssign. That's going to be the most important thing we do the first day of class. So to do this, you're going to come over here to Course Syllabus and Important Forms. In fact, this whole area of the screen that I'm kind of highlighting with my cursor here, I refer to it as the gray navigation panel. So just make sure when I refer to the navigation panel, this is what I'm talking about. So we're going to go under Course Syllabus and Important Forms. And right now, the only thing in there is going to be WebAssign registration instructions. So I'm just going to click on this. And as you can see here, it's kind of like a detailed list of instructions just to follow. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. All right. And I'm going to go through these like real quick for us. They're really self-explanatory. I also provide like screenshots of what you should see as you're navigating through these directions. But other than that, we'll just get right to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do, click on this right here. And it says, hey, let's get you enrolled into your courses. So you're just going to go ahead and type in our course key. Now, what's the course key? The course key is right here. So you could copy and paste this, or if you decide to type it in, make sure that you are including spaces in between the PA, where it's like PA space 6999, and then space 6061. Like those spaces are so important. Once you click on enroll, you're going to see this picture right here, okay? If you were in my probability and stats Z03 course, this is going to say Z03 instead of Z04. That's it, okay? Because I am teaching 2 stat courses this summer fully online. Now, if you do not have an account, you're going to have to create a new one. If you do have a WebAssign account, go ahead and you can just sign in with your WebAssign account and you'll be good to go. You should just, it should take you all the way down to step 7. But if not, you're going to have to create a new account. So go ahead, click on student, enter the information. This box right here where it says, I want to receive important Cengage updates and information. You do not have to worry about that. I would not select that, but you do have to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Once you click on next, it's going to ask you to verify your email address. So please go to the email address that you used. In fact, use an email address that you always check, because if I have a question or if you have a question, that is going to be the email address that I'm going to be communicating to you through that email address. So use one that you check. From here, within that link in your email, you're going to be asked to set up a password. Once you create your password, you're going to be redirected to the WebAssign login page. And you should see something like this right here, where right here it's going to say temporary access, but then underneath here it's going to say probability and stats, MAT 165 or something like that. This is just a generic screenshot that I've included. On the far right, you will see review purchase options. So that's going to be up here in the upper right hand corner of that web page. If you are waiting on financial aid or anything like that, I think you get 2 weeks free. I'm not positive because it's a summer course, but you should get 2 weeks free. That way it gives you a chance to like figure out how to purchase the WebAssign access. Now, the reason why in the announcements that I said don't do anything is because if you decide to purchase WebAssign through their website, okay, you can save yourself like 20 or 30 bucks just by purchasing it directly online. All right, that is entirely up to you. Okay, you don't have to do that, but it's one of those things where I'm just trying to save everybody as much money as I can. Also, if you've already purchased a WebAssign access code, let's say you went to the bookstore and you already got this, and that's fine too. You are going to enter the access code right here where it says already purchased, enter access code. All right. So please pay attention to that, because if you put it in the wrong spot, it's going to say, oh, this access code is not valid. And then you're going to get frustrated. And I'll be honest with you, I think it's because WebAssign really doesn't do a great job at like telling you where you need to input information. Worst case scenario, contact me via email. I can meet with you via Zoom or something like that, and I can walk you through this. Not a big deal whatsoever. But that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.